Welcome to Tech Nation, where we explore the latest advancements in technology and bring you insightful discussions on groundbreaking topics. Today, we're diving into the world of Generative Adversarial Networks, or GANs, and how they're revolutionizing the way we create and interact with artificial intelligence. GANs have made significant strides in the past few years, allowing machines to generate realistic images, videos, and even music. They're changing the way we think about art and creativity, as machines can now create original pieces of work that are both aesthetically pleasing and technically impressive. In this video, we'll explore the fundamental concepts behind GANs and how they work. We'll also take a look at some of the most exciting applications of GANs, from generating lifelike faces to creating realistic 3D models of objects. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of GANs and how they're transforming the future of artificial intelligence. Generative Adversarial Networks, the game of cat and mouse in the world of AI. To truly understand GANs, we must first delve into their architecture and the dynamic roles of the generator and discriminator. Picture this: the generator is like a wild artist, painting whatever comes to mind, but not quite sure if their work is good enough. Enter the discriminator, like a stern art critic, whose job is to judge the artwork and determine if it's good enough to be displayed in the Louvre, or something like that. The generator creates a set of random noise, which is then turned into an image by the generator's neural network. This image is then sent to the discriminator, which is another neural network trained to differentiate between real and fake images. If the discriminator can correctly identify the image as fake, it sends feedback to the generator, who then tweaks its work to make it more realistic. This process is repeated until the discriminator can no longer tell the difference between real and fake images. This is where the real magic happens. The generator is learning from the feedback provided by the discriminator, allowing it to create more and more realistic images. It's like a game of cat and mouse, with the generator trying to outsmart the discriminator, and the discriminator trying to keep up with the generator's improvements. And voila! The result is a machine that can create original pieces of art, music, or even video that are indistinguishable from those created by humans. It's like a masterpiece created by a collaboration between a creative artist and a stern critic. GANs, the masters of illusion in the world of AI. We've already explored how they work, but let's dive into some examples of GANs in action and their applications across various industries. First up, let's talk about image generation. GANs can create realistic images of anything from faces to landscapes, and even objects like cars and furniture. With GANs, it's hard to tell if an image is real or fake, making it a great tool for industries like e-commerce and interior design. You can now visualize furniture in your home without ever leaving your couch. And it's not just images, GANs can also create realistic videos. The possibilities are endless. Imagine creating a movie with entirely AI-generated characters, or generating videos for virtual reality experiences that are almost indistinguishable from the real thing. But wait, there's more. GANs are not just limited to practical applications. They're also being used in the world of art to create stunning pieces that challenge the boundaries of creativity. Artists are using GANs to generate abstract pieces, and even combining multiple GANs to create collaborative pieces that blend various styles and influences. In the fashion industry, GANs are being used to generate new designs and predict future trends. It's like having your very own fashion oracle, predicting what will be the next big thing before it even hits the runway. And let's not forget about the medical industry. GANs are being used to generate synthetic medical data, allowing researchers to experiment without risking patient privacy. They're even being used to generate synthetic X-rays, which can help with training medical professionals to spot abnormalities. Advanced GANs, the cream of the crop in the world of AI. We've already explored how traditional GANs work, but let's dive into the world of advanced GANs, such as StyleGAN and BigGAN. So, what makes these advanced GANs so special? Well, for one, they're able to create high-quality images with stunning levels of detail. We're talking about images that are so realistic, you'd swear they were the real deal. StyleGAN, for example, is able to generate images that are so lifelike, you'd have trouble telling them apart from a photograph. And with BigGAN, it's all about scale. This GAN is capable of generating high-quality images up to a resolution of 512 by 512, which is pretty impressive when you think about it. But what sets advanced GANs apart from traditional GANs? It's all about the architecture. Advanced GANs use more complex neural networks and training methods to create even more realistic images. They're able to generate images that are more diverse, with a wider range of colors and textures. And it's not just images, advanced GANs are also capable of generating high-quality videos. With GANs like StyleGAN 2 Ada, we're now able to generate videos that are almost indistinguishable from reality. It's like watching a movie, but with a machine as the director. But let's not forget about the creative possibilities of advanced GANs. Artists are using these GANs to generate abstract pieces that push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. With GANs like StyleGAN, you can generate portraits of people that don't even exist in the real world. The future of GANs. The possibilities are endless, but let's explore some potential applications and ethical considerations we need to keep in mind. One potential application is in the world of gaming. Imagine being able to generate new levels and characters on the fly, making every playthrough a unique experience. Or generating AI opponents that are able to adapt to your playing style, making for a more challenging game. GANs could also revolutionize the world of advertising. With the ability to generate hyper-realistic images and videos, companies could create ads that are even more persuasive and engaging. But of course, we'll have to make sure we don't cross the line into manipulative territory. In the world of healthcare, GANs could be used to generate synthetic data that could be used for research without compromising patient privacy. We could also use GANs to generate personalized treatment plans, tailored to each individual patient. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we continue to develop GANs and push the limits of what they're capable of, we need to make sure we're addressing ethical considerations and challenges. One issue is the potential for bias. If the data used to train GANs is biased, it could lead to discrimination and reinforce harmful stereotypes. We also need to be mindful of the impact GANs could have on the job market, as they could potentially automate certain industries and lead to job loss. And of course, we need to make sure we're not using GANs for malicious purposes, such as creating deepfake videos or generating counterfeit products. So there you have it, a glimpse into the potential applications and ethical considerations surrounding GANs. It's an exciting time for AI, but we must make sure we're using these tools for good and not letting our ambition get the best of us. Well folks, that's a wrap on our journey through the world of GANs. We've explored how GANs work, their applications in various industries, advanced GANs like StyleGAN and BigGAN, and even touched on some potential applications and ethical considerations for the future. It's clear that GANs have the potential to revolutionize the way we create and interact with media, but we must be mindful of the challenges and ethical considerations that come with this power. So whether you're a gamer, artist, advertiser, or healthcare professional, keep an eye on the world of GANs, because who knows what the future holds. Thanks for watching Tech Nation, and until next time, stay curious.